Yan ang karugtong dun guys. Dati na ito guys. Dati dito daw yung ng panahon ng hapon guys. Yan may simento pa yan guys. Kung anong klaseng simento yan guys. Kita mo yan guys. Yan pa guys. Ito guys. Bilog kasi ito guys. Yan mo guys. Yung hugis guys. Yan ang hugis guys. Panahon pa daw kumanhapon guys. Pero hindi kasi mapasok-pasok to dito guys. Tsaka yun parang lapida guys. Tsaka may puno guys ng yug na pinakaluno guys. Haba ito guys. Nagwawalis kami dito sa likod. Walang walis dito guys. Lalaki ng mangga guys. Yan guys, so kasama ko guys, nagwawalis na guys. Yan guys.